Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, September 3rd. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather hot and dry for a while, maybe a long while, and Dorian finally moving off the east coast of Florida. Let's take a look at things. There's the upper look this afternoon. This is about 18,000 feet off the ground, where the pressure is 500 millibars, a strong shortwave coming down through the upper Midwest. That'll be digging down into the northeast, and again, that's going to help to pull Dorian north and then northeast with time. There's the big perspective. Dorian spinning away off the east coast of Florida, finally moving away from the Bahamas. In Alabama, just hot and dry with a field of cumulus clouds. Mostly low 90s, Birmingham 91, Anniston 93, Tuscaloosa 92. We'll see numbers like that really each day for the rest of this week, although heat levels maybe tick down a few degrees Thursday and Friday. There's a watch warning map, most of the action on the South Atlantic coast with Dorian. However, we have the chance of some severe storms through tonight north of here, from near St. Louis up to Chicago, Indianapolis, Detroit, and Cleveland. Tomorrow, got a marginal risk on the South Atlantic coast with Dorian and a marginal risk up in the northeast United States. And on day 3, which is Thursday, once again a marginal risk on the South Atlantic coast, the coast of the Carolinas, for the outer bands of Dorian. Rain for the next 7 days. How about nothing around here? Texas to Alabama, very dry. All the heavy rain right on the immediate Atlantic coast, the outer bands of Hurricane Dorian. And the tropics are alive. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the board. New tropical storm in the Gulf, Fernand. We have Dorian. Little feature south of Bermuda. That's going to gain latitude. That's a fish storm. No threat to sea if that develops. And the 2 in the eastern Atlantic, the one near 32 west, that's going to gain latitude. Most likely that is no threat to land. The lower latitude system, just coming off the coast of Africa, that's the one to watch, but remains to be seen even at that, is going to ultimately affect the Lesser Antilles or recurve out in the open Atlantic. We just don't know that. This is the new tropical storm Fernand that developed this morning. Top winds 40 miles per hour. That comes in tomorrow night over the northern coast of Mexico. South of Brownsville, Texas is a tropical storm. And Dorian, top winds 110 miles per hour, Category 2. And again, this will stay offshore, most likely, the center, but the wind field has expanded in that the tropical storm force winds extend out over 150 miles now from the center. Track has not changed much from the hurricane center. They keep it east of the Florida coast, then curving northeast just off the coast of the Carolinas late this week. And then it's on the way out. Should be up toward Nova Scotia, Newfoundland over the upcoming weekend as a post-tropical system. Let's go through the GFS. Here's the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Upper high to the west, Dorian to the east. And for us, we're just hot and dry. Much like today, high should be in the low to mid-90s. Dorian east of Jacksonville, Florida. Thursday, Dorian oh so close to Cape Fear, North Carolina. Just side-swiping the South Carolina coast. And again, for us, we're dry. Now, a front comes through in dry fashion tomorrow night. So Thursday, the heat levels come down. The high should be closer to 90. This is Friday, Dorian east of Chesapeake Bay. Friday morning is going to feel good. We could see some 50s around here, but the high will be up around 90. A big range from morning low to afternoon high because the air is so dry. Obviously, no problems for high school football. Saturday, a dry day to start the weekend. The high should be in the low 90s, and the same thing on Sunday. Next week, Monday, once again, we're dry. This is a week from today, Tuesday the 10th. Heights are coming up, and there might be a few isolated showers, but obviously no widespread beneficial rain if this verifies. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 13th. Troughing to the north, that drives a front in here if this verifies, and that would bring some chance of showers, but again, probably nothing too beneficial. And it just looks dry. This is the GFS, the precipitation ensemble output for Birmingham. The mean is under 1 inch for the next 15 days. And the numbers will be up in the mid-90s probably this weekend. Looks hot. And the numbers creep back down in the 80s by mid-month with lows generally in the 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.